We're currently above $3,060, and you're probably wondering where you should be looking to set a stop loss or where you should be re-entering for a long here. In terms of support levels beneath us, really this is the level. Sorry, this is a bit fuzzy, but the key level beneath us, it's about $2,800. That really is the level to contend with. You can also see it by simply bringing in the moving averages once you're on the 3-day chart, and this red level here is the 200-day MA. $2,800 is the level for a re-entry, or if you're setting a stop loss beneath that level. And then we're on our way to the higher range of this huge channel that Ethereum's been in for a long time. So let's talk about the next key levels, the bullish price levels, and also it's important to note that Ethereum today is pretty much on track with Bitcoin. It's a bit behind Bitcoin today, but in the last week, Ethereum's up 20%, where Bitcoin's up 12%. In the last month, Ethereum's beating Bitcoin. So really bullish to see. And we're also seeing Ethereum versus Bitcoin breaking out in a big way. So we've already seen since going back from kind of middle of June, Ethereum's been rallying against Bitcoin, and we're now at part of this bigger breakout. We broke the downward trend line, and as soon as Ethereum breaks this resistance, this 0.025 resistance, that represents, by the way, how many Bitcoin it takes to buy one Ethereum. At the moment it's 0.02, but Ethereum is rallying against Bitcoin. When it breaks out, Ethereum will rip straight to $4,000, and that's when you'll see Ethereum go straight to this level here, and you will see altcoins fly. We've already seen altcoins do very well. I mean, for example, you can see it in the memes. They've performed excellently this week, and yeah, you could see just generally in terms of like all the coins, they're all pumping. Meme coins are pumping, but what we really need to see is Ethereum against Bitcoin rally. That will really ignite a huge season. Bitcoin dominance is at a major resistance. It's struggling to break above this resistance now. You can see how much of a pressure level that is to break through, that 66%. You can see it in the chart with the traded volume there, and also look at the breakdown analysis where we see altcoin 2025 loading. We're currently here struggling to stay in that support. So I do believe Bitcoin dominance will fall, and that's where we're going to see a huge Ethereum season and of course altcoin season. As for my trading, I mean, I'm still long. I have an Ethereum coin margin positioned open. That's on Blowfin. No KYC, no restrictions. You can open up a position and get a bonus with the links down below, guys. When you use these links, there's no restrictions, no KYC. You can deposit easily, trade futures, and I've got some videos on the channel how to trade on these exchanges as well. I'll pop them underneath and at the end of the video. But really, things really do look bullish for this trade and for the Ethereum price. It's currently 406% in profit. I've moved that up to a 20x position. So if you want to open a trade for the medium higher time frame, I still believe 4,000 is a very good level to target over the coming few days, even few weeks, dare I say days, but most likely next couple of weeks. A great time in my opinion. And then you also have the quarterly returns. Ethereum's up against Bitcoin. We just had publicly traded Bitmine. They've bought $500 million in ETH for its treasury. So things really are looking very bullish. The price is pumping. Let me know, are you bullish? And the last thing I'll show you is pretty cool, is some of the altcoin trade setups that I have. This is in my trade signals channel. By the way, the description's here. You just go beneath my trading exchange partners and go to my real-time trade signals. You can join the Telegram group for free. And you know, I've got an ape position open. We're also trading 𝗕𝗏. There's some great altcoin positions, Solana. We've been making tons of profit, guys, over the last few weeks, trading mainly Ethereum, but also altcoins as well. People making all sorts of gains. So join us, link down below for my trade signals. Thank you for watching. Stay bullish, and I'll see you later. Take care. Bye-bye.